Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. And this video is kind of like a hodgepodge type of video. And I clean in my bedroom, and basically my bed's already made. I've already kind of cleaned up my room, and then I decided to go ahead and film and all that stuff, but that's okay. But anyway, so I'm just basically vacuuming in my room. I'm gonna be doing some laundry and basically just kind of regular clothes, and I'll be washing some rags and towels and stuff like that in my kitchen. Plus, I'm going to be unloading my dishwasher. But one of the main focuses of this video will be a furniture flip. Now, my husband and I spotted some chairs within our neighborhood. They were on the curb. And so we grabbed them, and we decided to, there's no way we could use them because they are for, they were like dining chairs, and our table is like way too big for that. So what we were planning to do is kind of clean them up a little bit, and we're going to sell them and everything like that. So anyway, what happened is this house that was on a corner where we live or whatnot, they had a fire. Now the fire was mainly in the garage area, and they said the attic or whatnot and all that stuff, but of course there was like smoke stuff and everything like that. So the chairs kind of did kind of smell of smoke. However, I'm cleaning them with my carpet clean machine thingy, my what's called little green machine, and plus I'm using like OxyClean on them. Oh my gosh, such like night and day and all that stuff. And plus I'm kind of polishing them up with the furniture polish and all that. But anyway, so I hope you enjoy this video. If this is the kind of content you like, please make sure you like, subscribe, share, and definitely comment to let me know who you are, and leave some kind of spring emoji and all that. So anyway, without further ado, I am going to stop talking so you guys can enjoy the video. Anyway, I will give you I will probably put like an update, like maybe in the comment section on how much we sold the chairs for or whatnot and all that stuff, since we're doing like a furniture flip type of thing. And I will let you know how much we did sell them for. And yeah, I'll give you an update in the comment section. So anyway, watch out for that. Okay guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye.